Are seatbelt covers safe for adults? The truth revealed. Seatbelt covers for adults can be safe, but it's crucial to choose covers that are designed and used correctly to avoid compromising safety. While they can offer comfort and prevent clothing damage, they shouldn't interfere with the seatbelt's proper function. Here's a more detailed look. Seatbelt covers can make the seatbelt feel softer and more comfortable against the body, especially for individuals who find the standard seatbelt material irritating. They can prevent seatbelts from rubbing against clothes, especially delicate fabrics, and potentially causing damage or wrinkling. Some covers can help absorb sweat, keeping the seatbelt cleaner and potentially preventing odors. Hey, can be a way to personalize the interior of a vehicle and add a touch of style. It's essential to ensure that the seatbelt cover is compatible with the vehicle's seatbelt system and is designed to be used with adult seatbelts. Covers should be installed according to the manufacturer's instructions and should not interfere with the seatbelt's ability to retract properly or lock in place during an accident. Look for covers made from durable, non-toxic materials that won't easily tear or break during a crash. Avoid covers that are too bulky or padded, as they could potentially interfere with the seatbelt's effectiveness. Seatbelt covers should not be used in a way that prevents the seatbelt from fitting properly or functioning as intended. The seatbelt should lay flat across the chest and collarbone, and the lap belt should fit low and snug across the hips. Excessive padding can prevent the seatbelt from fitting properly and may reduce its effectiveness in a crash. In summary, seatbelt covers can be a safe addition to a vehicle if chosen carefully and installed correctly. Prioritize safety and comfort, ensuring the cover does not interfere with the seatbelt's intended function.